In the mysterious depths of the wilderness exists a world full of mystery and endless charm, where the captivating marvels of nature beckon exploration. In the vastness of the natural realm lives a delicate creature, a symbol of endurance and strength, the untamed feline. Whether it is the impressive big cats of the wide grasslands or the skillful hunters like wildcats, each wild feline holds a distinct story within the wild. Winter in Europe presents a different spectacle of nature compared to other seasons, particularly in the wilderness. The climate becomes colder, blanketing the mountains and forests with white snow, creating a stunning yet challenging backdrop for the plant and animal life here. The lynx, a prominent wildcat species, is classified under the genus Lynx and comprises 4 primary species: the Canadian lynx, the Iberian lynx, the Eurasian lynx, and the curtailed lynx. Each species possesses distinct characteristics and is found in different regions across the world. But they all share common traits in appearance, behavior, and hunting techniques. Lynx are typically of medium size with a robust physique. The Eurasian lynx is the largest, measuring 80 to 130 centimeters in body length and weighing 40 to 66 pounds, with some individuals weighing up to 100 pounds. The Canadian lynx is smaller, approximately 75 to 105 centimeters long, and weighing 11 to 40 pounds. In order to endure the harsh cold climate, Canadian lynx must consume approximately 1.5 to 2.5 pounds of meat daily. It seems to have spotted something. A squirrel. The lynx is biding its time for the opportune moment to strike. With a swift assault, the squirrel had no chance to defend itself. Lynx are solitary predators, mainly active at night or during dusk. They establish their own territories, the size of which varies depending on food availability and habitat. A notable characteristic of the lynx is its dense, silky fur, ranging in color from light gray to reddish brown, enabling them to effectively blend into their natural surroundings for camouflage. The Canadian lynx has a thicker coat compared to other species well suited for the cold climate. Their pointed ears with black hairs are a distinctive identifying feature, enhancing their ability to hear and detect prey from a distance. Additionally, they have short tails, with the lynx's tail being exceptionally short and striped. European wildcats are smaller than lynxes, typically weighing between 6.6 and 19.8 pounds. Despite their smaller size, European wildcats are equally skilled hunters. They can spend hours tracking prey and patiently wait for the perfect moment to launch their attack. Leaving their prey with little chance to escape once they strike. They look innocent and cute, but they are the most dangerous cats on Earth. The black-footed cat is considered the most dangerous because it possesses one of the highest success rates in hunting compared to any other wild cat. This comes from their flexible body structure and their cunning when hunting. Gentleness and patience when approaching prey, combined with strength and speed in attacks, make the black-footed cat an extremely effective hunter. Although their size is not as large as some other cat species, black-footed cats are still capable of dealing with large and dangerous prey species such as rabbits or even poisonous snakes. This ability is especially useful when living in the harsh environment of the desert, where food resources are not abundant. In the wild expanse of the Eurasian highlands, there exists a captivating and mysterious feline species known as the mole cat. Admired for its strength and solemn demeanor, the mole cat is respected as one of the most inward-looking creatures in the animal realm. Draped in a luscious coat of unique shades, the mole cat represents natural perfection. Its opulent fur not only adds to its attraction, but also acts as a robust shield against the harsh conditions of its environment. Adapted to thrive in challenging landscapes like deserts, steppes, and rugged terrains, the mole cat seeks shelter in rocky crevices and foliage, while also foraging for prey in these regions. Mole cats prefer to hunt alone, relying on their impressive stalking abilities and element of surprise to catch their prey. They exhibit remarkable patience as they pursue their targets, stealthily moving in silence like phantoms until the perfect moment to launch their ambushed attack. Mole cats usually lead solitary lives or pair up, often creating dens in caves or rocky hollows for breeding purposes. A litter of kittens typically ranges from 2 to 6 and is cared for by the mother for a brief period before they become skilled hunters in their own right.